Hi, welcome to alisafdertech channel. If you are getting issue with the Azure connection to the local SQL Server Management Studio, so this is video for you. You can check if I am clicking on connect, it is not getting connected. So solution for it is just go to the home of Azure Database, and you can click on your desired database here. And there is the option you can check in the middle, there is set server firewall. Enter there, and if you are looking to connect your this current machine, your IP has been shown there. You have to just click over there on plus sign, and it will be getting added, and you can hit save. It is saved. Otherwise you can add the firewall, their name, start IP and end IP. So I have added the my current IP, and I will test it out now. Click connect, and you can see it is connected now. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.